Hi kitchen friends. Today I am going to show you how to make something that I call mac and cheese confetti cups. So let me tell you how they got their name. So mac and cheese, we've all had that, right? Yummy, one of my favorites. And cups, because we're going to cook them in a muffin tin and they're going to come out of like little individual cups. And the confetti part is made from a couple veggies. One is a carrot, a root vegetable, which we've talked about before. And the other is peas. And I'm going to show you peas out in the garden. I am out in the garden getting ready to harvest some peas. And the way to know if they're ready is look at the pea pod, and if it's really fat and you can fill the peas inside, it is ready. So if we pick this one and pop it open, you can see there are perfectly developed peas inside, ready to eat. The last week you saw where carrots come from. Now you've seen where peas come from. And I'm going to show you how to use both of those veggies to make your own mac and cheese confetti cups. You are going to need to go ahead and prepare a box of macaroni and cheese mix and follow the directions. And then you're also going to need 1 egg, a half a cup of grated cheese, cheddar cheese divided, and then about 3/4 of a cup of veggies. I have a mixture of finely chopped grated carrot and peas. You could do all peas or all carrots or a mixture like me. So first we've got to whip that 1 egg up. And we are going to add it right into the pot of mac and cheese. And we can stir that in. And then the next thing is our 3/4 cup veggies. So pretty. It looks like confetti to me. I love that. And then our half a cup of cheddar cheese is divided because we're going to put 1/4 cup of cheese in the mixture. And the other 1/4 cup is going to go on top. Now we're ready to get this in a muffin tin. Put my macaroni and cheese mixture into muffin tins. You can either spray the pan or put liners in. And now I'm going to take that other 1/4 cup of cheese and sprinkle just a tiny bit on top of each one. Now that they all have a little cheese topping, I'm going to bake them in a 425-degree oven for about 15 minutes. Okay, they come out of the oven bubbling hot, so they have to cool before you can eat them. The cheese is all melty. They look so good. Our story today is Little Pea by Amy Rosenthal, published by Chronicle Books. This is the story of Little Pea, Mama Pea, and Papa Pea. Little Pea was a happy little guy. He liked to do a lot of things. He liked rolling down hills, for example, super fast. He liked hanging out with his pea pals. he liked it when Papa Pea came home at the end of the day. Papa Pea would fling Little Pea off a spoon high into the air, and Little Pea would scream, "Again, again!" At bedtime, Little Pea very much liked snuggling with Mama Pea and hearing stories about what Mama Pea was like when she was a little pea. But there was one thing that Little Pea did not like. Candy. That's what you have to eat for dinner every night when you're a pea. Candy, candy, candy. Monday, red candy. Tuesday, orange candy. Wednesday, yellow candy. Thursday, purple and pink polka dotted candy. Friday, striped candy. Saturday, swirly candy. Sunday, rainbow candy. Little Pea hated all of it. If you want to grow up to be a big, strong pea, you have to eat your candy, Papa Pea would say. If you don't finish your candy, then you can't have dessert, Mama Pea would say. How many pieces do I have to eat? Eat 5 pieces and you can have dessert. 5 pieces, he whined. 5 pieces, they chimed. One, yuck. 2, black. 3, pulk. 4, pluh. 5 pieces of candy. Now I can have dessert? Yes, now you can have dessert, said Mama Pea and Papa Pea. Little Pea couldn't wait to see what it was. Spinach! Squealed Little Pea. My favorite! Little Pea licked his dessert plate clean. Yum, yum, extra yum. And they lived happily ever after. The end. That's kind of a funny little story, isn't it? I have another funny little story with peas called Mabel O'Leary Put Peas in Her Eary by Mary Delaney. This is a really cute little rhyming book. And then I don't have the nonfiction book of the day with me, but it is simply titled Peas, and it's by Claire Llewellyn. And it tells all about how peas grow, how they go from being plants in nature to our tables. So if you want to learn more about real peas, not story peas, then I suggest checking that one out. Okay, that's all the time I have for today. I'll see you next time.